Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will find. This is class 10th, subject to general science. Our today's topic is gene types of gene, genotype and phenotype. Genes for controlling the same characteristic of an organism, they can be of two types: dominant gene and the recessive gene. The gene which decides the appearance of an organism, even in the presence of an alternative gene, that is called dominant gene. So gene is decide कर appearance of an organism only in the presence of an alternative gene. Alternative gene, that is called तस इस वनान dominant gene. यह dominant gene क्या करा कौन यह हसा dominate गसा over the recessive gene for the same characteristic on the other chromosome of the pair. The gene which can decide the appearance of an organism only in the presence of another identical gene, that gene is recessive gene. That means during a genetic cross, when the dominant and recessive gene, when they are crossed together, what happens is dominant gene, it shows its appearance. It decides the appearance of an organism. It decides the appearance of an organism. That means in the combination of dominant gene and recessive gene, dominant gene express kara dominance over the recessive gene. It decides the appearance of a characteristic or appearance of an organism. A single recessive gene cannot decide the appearance of an organism. Single recessive gene can decide appearance of an organism. The dominant gene is represented by a capital letter. This dominant gene is represented by a capital letter, whereas the corresponding recessive gene is represented by the corresponding small letter. By the corresponding small letter. For example, in P. plantus, agar shows dominant gene for the tallness is T, and the recessive gene for dwarfness is small t. Small t. When we write the genetic cross for P. plantus, then the T, capital T, it represents tall, and small t, it represents dwarf. Small t represents dwarf. This is recessive gene and dominant gene. Is on recessive gene as a gene. This dominant gene goes a gene. You decide the appearance of an organism even in the presence of an alternative gene. While as the recessive gene is the gene which can decide the appearance of an organism only in the presence of another identical gene. Another identical gene. Genotype. Genotype has it shows the genetic constitution of an organism. In simple words, genotype is the description of genes present in organism. It shows the description of genes in an organism. Description of genes in an organism. For genotype is always a pair of letters. Genotype has a pair of letters such as TT, small t, capital T, small t. These represent us. Genotype, it is always a pair of letters, pair of pair of genes, a pair of letters. For example, capital T, small t, small t, small t. These represent the genotype of an organism. That means the genotype of T plant, it could be TT, capital T, small t, or capital T, small t. While as the genotype of a dwarf plant is TT. You see, genotype of a capital T tall plant, it could be capital T, small t. While as the genotype of a dwarf plant is T, small t. Phenotype. The characteristics or traits which is visible in an organism. Some characteristics or trait visible in an organism, it is phenotype. It is phenotype. For example, tall or dwarf, these are phenotypes of a plant because these traits can be seen by us or they are visible to us. They are visible to us. Then on is the phenotype of an organism. It is physical characteristic, which is determined by its genotype,